Construct a circumscribed square around a regular pentagon having sides 2.5 centimeters. So first of all, we have to construct our regular pentagon. So draw a line of 2.5 centimeters. Now bisect this line. Now check this distance, 2.5 centimeters, and draw an arc on this side from center like this, and from this point to the side. Now cover half this distance and draw one more arc like this. From this point, now we have to draw two arcs, first one on this, other one on this, of 2.5 centimeters. So fill in 2.5 centimeters and draw the arcs. Join all the points to get the required regular pentagon. Like this, and draw a semicircle downwards. Like this. Join this point to this vertex like this, and similarly join to this vertex. Now we have to draw a line parallel to this line here, and one line here parallel to this line. Then we will get our required square. So a line parallel to this one. We have to stop on this point and draw a parallel line like this. Now a line parallel to this line. We have to stop on that point like this and draw a parallel line. So this A, B, C, D is our required square.